What are they doing? Listen and repeat. Eat. Eating. She is eating in the park. Swim. Swimming. He is swimming in a pool. Run. Running. They are running by the beach. Exercise. Exercising. She is exercising in the gym. Ice skate. Ice skating. They are ice skating in the park. Juggle. Juggling. He is juggling 3 balls. Surf. Surfing. They are surfing on the waves. Now it's your turn. What are they doing? What is she doing? What is he doing? What are they doing? What is she doing? What are they doing? What is he doing? What are they doing? Great job. Keep practicing.